Hello, sixth grade. Mr. Schlau coming at you with a single-digit division. To set this up, I want to make sure that we know how where everything goes. So when we look at setting up a division problem, when we have what is the quotient of 395 and 8, first of all, what is a quotient? So remembering that a quotient is the answer to a division problem. Okay, then we have the rest of the question. So the quotient is as the answer that we're looking for. Then we have of 395 and 8. Now this is the same thing as 395 divided by 8. Okay, so we need to set this up. So first of all, 395 is the number that's being divided. It's the number that we're trying to figure out how many groups of 8 can create 395. This is our dividend. 8 is the number that's doing the work. It's doing the dividing, so therefore it is the divisor. Now when we set this up, okay, we want to set up our house. Our quotient goes up here as the answer. The dividend goes in the house. The divisor knocks on the door on the outside. Divisor, dividend, quotient. So the 395 will go inside, the 8 will go outside, and our answer will be on the top. Now there's a couple of ways I want to do this. First, I want to create some compatible numbers. So I have 8 and I have 395. I know that 8 times 5 is 40, so I'm actually going to do some estimation here and round 395 up to 400. So I'm going to turn this into, so 395 divided by 8, okay, is roughly the same as 400 divided by 8. Okay. Now, when I set this up, I can go 8 goes into 400. And 8 goes into 4 0 times. 8 times 0 is 0. Subtract 4. Subtract 0 is 4. Bring down. Divide. Multiply. Subtract. Bring down. Boom. 8 goes into 45 times. 8. So divide. Multiply. Subtract. Bring down. 8 goes into 0 0 times. And we are done. Our answer should be right about 50. All right, so now let's see if we are correct or accurate with our division. So 8 is our divisor on the outside. 395 is our dividend on the inside. I know that 8 does not go into 39 5 times because 8 times 5 is 40. So I know I'm going to have a 4 over the 39. And 8 times 4 is 32. 39 subtract 32. Okay, we have 3 minus 3 is 0. 9 minus 2 is 7. Okay, we're going to bring down our 5. Now we have to figure out how many times 8 goes into 75. Well, if we know our multiples, we know that 8 times 5 is 40. Times 6 is 48. 7 is 56. 8 is 64. And 9 is 72. Okay, now I don't have anything left to bring down. Okay, so what I'm actually going to do is put a decimal in. And when I put my decimal here, I also want my decimal to go straight up, right there. I'm going to put a 0. So that 0 is going to come down. Now I have 30. And 8 goes into 30 3 times. Extend out my line. We have 24. Now we have 6. Well, it still doesn't work, so we have to keep going. We need one more 0. We have 60. 8 goes into 60 7 times, which is 56. This is 4. Well, still not done. This is the last 0 in the thousands place that we're going to use to make this work. And now we have a multiple of 8. 8 goes into 40 5 times evenly, which means that we are done. And we have a quotient of 49 and 375 thousandths. That is our quotient. Now, to make sure that we have a reasonably correct answer, we think, is 49 and 375 thousandths close to 50? Very much so. Okay, that gives us a really good indication that our answer is correct. We can also check by multiplication, where we can take our quotient of 49 and 375 thousandths, and we can multiply it by the divisor, which is 8. And go 8 times 5 is 40, 56 plus 4 is 60, times 3 is 24, plus 6 is 30, 72 plus 3 is 75, 8 times 4 is 32, plus 7 is 39. Circle all the digits after the decimal. Goes in here, 1, 2, 3 times. We have 395, which is our dividend, which means we are correct. Thank you for watching How to Multiply by a Single Digit Number.